At TenPoint Complete, the quality of our service starts with the quality of our people. That is why we take a deliberate and structured approach to recruiting, training, and retaining our agents. Our hiring process begins with clear criteria and thorough screening. We look for candidates who not only have the right skills, but also the right attitude. Communication ability, professionalism, reliability, and cultural fit are all essential. Candidates go through structured interviews and evaluations to ensure they can represent our clients with confidence and consistency. Once hired, training is both comprehensive and ongoing. Agents are onboarded with a deep understanding of client processes, brand voice, tools, and expectations. They are supported by documented workflows, scripts, and a living knowledge base that is continuously updated. Training does not end after onboarding. We provide ongoing coaching, refreshers, and skill development to keep performance strong as programs evolve. Performance is actively monitored and supported. We track quality standards, productivity, and customer experience metrics to ensure consistency across every interaction. Agents who meet and exceed expectations are recognized through performance incentives that reinforce accountability, growth, and excellence. Retention is a priority because experience matters. We focus on building a supportive work environment with clear expectations, ongoing feedback, and opportunities for development. Regular check-ins, coaching, and recognition help agents feel valued and engaged. This stability reduces turnover and ensures clients benefit from experienced, well-trained teams. At TenPoint Complete, we invest in our agents because when our people succeed, our clients and their customers do too.